Welcome to the vlog. Welcome. So I'm actually at the end of the vlog right now, so you guys will see this look again later. But I'm going out to my friend's birthday. I'll talk about that later in the video, so I'm not gonna spoil it. But anyway, just wanted to give you guys a little welcome. Today we're going to get ready. We're gonna go look at some apartments, so you guys are gonna come with me. Then we're gonna come back, get ready again for where I'm going right now. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, bye. Hey y'all. So I figured I could try out the new Missguided beauty line. It's like super affordable at like a really nice price point. I honestly felt like I could just create a nice little natural look today, you know? I figured I could try. Emphasis on the try. I thought I should try today because we're not doing much. Like, well, we're doing a lot. Skirt, skirt. This freaking seat is like, we're doing a lot, but we're not doing a lot that requires like, you know, a beat. So I want to try Meet Your Match Demi Matte Foundation. Not me having it be way too dark for my face. We'll fix it. Anyway, you know when you have certain stuff that just reminds you of like certain times of your life and stuff? This is just one of those good smells. Okay, but it's definitely a demi matte like they said. Like it's definitely ooh, hello. It's definitely demi matte like they said. Like it's definitely a buildable coverage. So we're just gonna do like one little layer, to be honest, because I wanna see how the one will hold up today while we're out and about. I powdered up so I look like a ghost again. So now I'm going to use their Instant Vacay bronzer. It's like a duo powder. It looks like this. Such cute packaging, right? Let's see what that's hitting for. Yes, it's still giving that like demi matte finish, to be honest, even though it's a bronzer, which I like because I feel like it's kind of highlighting like my cheekbone. Honestly, I feel like we're steering away from the natural look again. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Also guys, all the products are vegan and cruelty free, which I've been trying to make sure I'm integrating in like everything that I do. So if you guys like are interested in products like that, this is definitely for you. It's a lot easier to incorporate like vegan things into your lifestyle than to be like full vegan. You can be full vegan, God bless. I'm not giving up chicken nuggets, I'm sorry, but I will try to make sure it's implemented in everything else, you know what I mean? They have this thickening brow gel, like come on. Hopefully I don't mess this up because I'm using the Cami. Hey guys, honestly I added a little bit more to the front to kind of give like, I'm all up in y'all's grill. I added a little bit more to the front hairs just to give a little bit more like of that flaky type, you know what I mean? Like they also have this freckle pen. I'm not trying that because I already know I'm gonna mess that up, but if any of you want to try this and send it to me, please let me know how you do it because I already know. And then they have this eyeshadow, but we're doing a natural thing today, so I don't think we need it. Instead, I'm just gonna put some of the bronzer in my crease, you know what I mean? We will use their Oh High Lash Length and Definition Fiber Mascara. Okay, honestly, they look pretty nice. Like quite high definition, to be honest. I'm really tired, so ignore the bags on my eyes because that's not the brand's fault. That is my lack of sleep and procrastination's fault. And lastly, I'm just gonna put on some of this No Way Rose Gimme Lip, and that's it, y'all. And honestly, like I told you guys, all of it is buildable, so clearly like you can do what you want with it. I just wanted to give you guys something natural today. The collection is available on Missguided's website. I'll have it in the description box, or I'll pop it right here or here. Also guys, my outfit's from Missguided too. Let me show you. These leggings are from Missguided too. I'll have those in the description box too, but thank you to Missguided for sponsoring this video. I have to make it to these appointments, so let's go look at apartments. How many square feet did you say?
809.
Look how nice this little curvature is. This is so cute. Bathroom. Washer, dryer. Okay guys, so for the vlog, my last kitchen in my apartment was really big, so that's one thing that I might have to get used to, like not being the same. But nice view. Like the view and everything is way better than my old apartment. Oh, this is bigger. Oh, look how freaking big the bathroom is.
The biggest thing in there.
And the closet, DRE, I'm gagging. I'm gagging. Oh no, this is the one, baby. I'm gagging. Okay, let me give a full video so I can show. This one's much bigger than the last one that we looked at, but I'm thinking, guys, I could make this like the studio because it's huge. It's technically considered a bedroom, but I think it would look much better as a studio. And then there's closet space here. Here's what it looks like from the inside. So cute. This is the guest bathroom. Like we're living for her. And then there's a bedroom over there that we'll look at. Here's the balcony area. And you said this is facing east?
This is east view, yes. So you're gonna get lots of light in the morning time.
So pretty. And then let me show you guys the freaking bedroom. You're gonna gag. Boom. Okay guys, we're on the roof now. Look how beautiful. And then the view, beautiful. If I had people over, I would literally just bring them up to the roof. This is so cute. Yeah.
It's really pretty in here.
Gorgeous.
We're basically in the middle of everything.
Yeah. Here's the next one. This one is a little cheaper than the last ones that we were looking at. Definitely a bigger kitchen. Nice view space, honestly. The bedroom here, nice closet space, and then still the windows in here. The bathroom looks like this. Hey guys, what do you guys think? What do you like so far? This is smaller, but really cute. Oh my gosh. Woo, child. Okay, we're back today. Honestly, I don't know what my makeup looks like because I had that K95 mask on, like on and off and on and off. I was walking blocks. I was sweating. We saw some places today. I only saw 2. I was gonna see a 3rd, but honestly, like the square footage for the pricing was just not giving. Yeah, so that one is a dub. And then the other 2 that you guys saw, which one do y'all like? I probably won't pick by the time I have this up, so you guys' input will actually be really helpful. So yeah, that's the tea, guys. So I got some Dunkin'. I got a bacon, egg, and cheese. Actually got 2 bacon, egg, and cheeses. I've been coming back and forth to LA for a while now, so it's like, instead of just doing that, I'd rather just have a home. Like, I'd rather just have, like, this is the place I stay. Like, I don't have to go back and forth all the time and, like, rent little things out. Probably wondering where I'm at now. These are, like, furnished apartments that you can rent out. So every time I come here to LA, I rent one of these out. But I spend so much more money renting these out than renting an actual apartment. It's just so crazy how, like, life works out. Because where I was at, who I was around, like, all that stuff last year, I would have never made a move like this at all. I would have never, like, put myself first and, like, everything. I would have just never done that. And now, like, things fell the way that they did so that now I can do something like this. I have the most supportive friends ever that are like, go, like, this is where you need to be right now. Like, you need to live, you know? I'm young, I'm 21, like, this is the time to do it. It's like 3 o'clock. I said I was gonna go back out and see more apartments today, but I'm tired, I'm not doing that. Right now, Alyssa's birthday is tonight, so we're going to dinner. Need to be at her crib by like 8:45, which means I need to start getting ready by like 7. I'm trying to take like an hour nap right now. Food, you can't get food again. Ah! Okay guys, sorry, I was really having a moment. That's a banger. Anyway, I did take that nap, guys. I did. Turn your blood club to my fan club. Yo, what? Agua. It is. Today is, well, tomorrow is Arnell and Alyssa's birthday, so we're doing dinner. I did take a little baby nap that I highly regret. Because I have to write a paper. If you guys do not know, I'm still in school. I'm in college, I'm on my last semester, like I'm walking in like 2 months. So I have to finish this paper and make that a priority. And it's really hard sometimes when you have to balance a career, new career endeavors, a social life, school life, dating life, like everything. It's really hard to you know, balance all of it. I do not know how people do it. Where I'm at right now, I don't even know how I would have time for a boyfriend. I truly don't, because I would be neglecting him. He would probably hate me, literally, because he would be like, girl, you would probably think I was cheating. Like, I do not have time for it, and I feel bad because it's like, I want to have time for the world, like I want to have time for everybody, but baby, I just do not. Honestly, you know when your makeup just does not come out how you want it? So irritating, especially when you're gonna wear like your hair back or something. People juggle all this and a relationship. Oh my god, I don't know how I was doing it before. I really don't. Now I'm at a different point in my life where I feel like I'm much more productive single. I'm not texting someone all day. I'm not worried about what they're doing and, you know, trying to help them out. Like, I literally have all the time in the world to just be selfish and focus on me. And even that doesn't feel like enough time now. Might be because I'm out in LA now. Like, I've been here for like a month in the little spot that I told you guys I'd be renting out. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm in LA now, so I'm like working a lot more and stuff, but I don't know, child. I don't know how people do it. Look, the look kind of came together. I should have showed you guys like the full ting. I'll get in the mirror. Actually, bam. I want to show you too much. Ooh. I don't have lotion on, so if I'm ashy, mind your business. Nice little thing with black heels and a black shenanigans. It looks cute to me. Honestly, I'm gonna be cold because I don't have any of my jackets with me. So I'm gonna be cold, but I think it gives birthday. I hope so. I really hope I'm not doing the most. I'm going to have to come home and write a paper because I have that class in the morning. So it's gonna be another all-nighter. I have not gotten sleep in days. That's probably why in the beginning of the vlog I'm like, hi guys. I'm gonna have to do that and I'm gonna have to edit this video. Yay! Live, laugh, love. Well guys, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will definitely give you guys updates on apartments and stuff. I'm definitely gonna go look at more. I would be dumb to just look at two and make a decision. Oh, I need lipstick. I wasn't gonna say nothing, damn. I will see y'all in my next one. All the information to everything will be in the description box. Make sure you guys comment down below so we can have a combo. Love you guys so much. Bye.